Hello guys, welcome to Pronouncist, your pronunciation guide. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word shown on the screen, long list. Both US and UK have the same pronunciation of this word, long list. Now read the syllables shown on the screen naturally. Long list, long list. Stress long and keep list light. Long list, long list. Stress long and keep list light. Long list, long list. Stress long and keep list light. Long list, long list. Practice repeatedly and you'll soon be able to say this word perfectly. The best way to practice is to repeat the syllable multiple times. The meaning of the word is a preliminary list. Try repeating this word several times to improve your pronunciation. We post daily videos on useful and commonly mispronounced words to help you speak clearly and confidently. Like this video and subscribe to Pronouncist for more pronunciation guides. Thanks for watching us.